All right, problem number 8 on this wonderful imposter test. And there's two things we have to find here, an X and a Y, but we're using our shortcut because I see this 45-degree angle here. That's my little clue. I've got a 45 degree, I've got a 90 degree. When you have a 45 degree and a 90 degree, this would have to be a 45 degree as well. So now we're working on that shortcut, right? Now, let's identify the parts of this triangle. This Y is the hypotenuse. I know that because it's opposite the right angle, right? These two are legs. This is a leg and this is a leg. Now, the legs of a 45, 45, 90 right triangle, the legs are equal to each other. So that's really easy to find the X. There's no work to show for this. It's just knowing the shortcut. Now, to find the hypotenuse, we need to multiply the leg times the square root of 2. So when we talked about how to do this, if you're trying to find the hypotenuse is equal to the leg times the square root of 2, right? So I'm just going to take this leg, multiply it by the square root of 2, 13 times the square root of 2, and that you can leave your answer like this. Now, if you want to give me a decimal answer, I'm not going to take off points for that. I started to think about what I want to do with that, but I will not take off points. If you want to leave it in this form, I'm totally fine with that. And that's awesome, right? So 13 and 13 root 2, or 13 and whatever that would be as a decimal if you wanted to plug it in to your calculator. But this is much easier. So no work to show for this one. It's just 13 and 13 root 2. Hopefully that helps you with question number 8 and how to work a 45, 45, 90 triangle.